you have to distance yourself from people who know you as a loser, because they will never let you become the man you actually want to be. When you've been with a friend group for years and you were weird for years, it's very hard to change their perception of you. Even if you are doing your best to improve yourself and become better, they will find a way to drag you down. The harsh truth is that you might show up tomorrow, tell them to stop using your weird nickname from high school, and you start acting more serious. But what do you think will happen? Everyone will laugh at you. Why? Because they know you. They know that you are pretending and you are faking. You were a loser, and for them, you will always be a loser. That's why you have to distance yourself from these people for at least 6 months. This break will give you time to genuinely change and improve. And it lets them forget about you and your old persona, and it creates space for real transformation. Imagine what happens when you hang out with them after 6 months. You show up in a nice outfit. You are clean and fresh. You act mature and grown up. You've got a better job. You are earning more money. You have more interesting hobbies. You've made new friends. Now tell them you want to be called by your real name instead of that weird nickname. Will they laugh? Of course not, because you've changed and enough time has passed for you to get a second chance at a first impression. And it's these exact situations that make people say, "Damn, you've changed so much." But I know you want this to happen immediately. Maybe you still want to hang out with these people, but trust me, it won't work. Even if you are improving yourself for real, they will drag you down. They will tell you not to dress like that. They will say you are acting fake. They will discourage you from trying new things. If you tell them you quit smoking, they will keep telling you, "Come on, smoke one with us, smoke one with us." And I know what you are thinking. But these are my only friends. I can't just disappear for 6 months. Yes, you can. And you must. Think about it this way. If you keep hanging around people who see you as a weird guy, who laugh at you, who don't take you seriously, how will you ever become the man you want to be? It's like trying to quit smoking living in a house full of smokers. Technically, it's possible, but it's way harder than it needs to be. And girls have this amazing ability to pick up on how others treat you. If your friends still treat you like that weird loser from high school, guess what? That's exactly how your potential girlfriend will see you too. But when you return after your transformation, those same people will talk about how much you've grown and changed. And that new narrative becomes a powerful social proof. Think about it this way. Would you rather try to attract a girl while surrounded by people who undermine your confidence constantly? Or you approach a girl knowing that people around you actually talked you up to her? I'm guessing you want the second option. So, if you want to learn how to transform your entire life, then read my book, How Any Young Man Can Win at Life and Love. Link is in the description. And if you want me to coach you personally, link is also in the description. The first session is completely free, so don't be scared to sign up. Before I tell you what to do next, if you agree with the message of this video, then please share it with as many people as possible. And if you want to watch more videos that will help you solve all your problems, find happiness, and find a girlfriend you will marry one day, then subscribe. So, if you remember just one thing from this video, then let it be this. The people who knew you when you were a loser will never let you become strong. So get away from them, and then come back as the man they thought you can never be. I know this seems impossible to do at the moment, and it scares you what would happen if you did. So to see exactly how to not be afraid, watch that video next. Remember, God is real and marriage is us.